everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and display your iPhone or your Android phone on over to your Roku device. This is easy to do. So the most important thing is to connect to the same Wi-Fi internet. So just scroll on down from the top, go to Wi-Fi, and then we want to connect to the same one. So I am connected to my second router at my house, so I'm going to select it right there. Then you want to scroll on down from the top and find the display mirroring option. So on the iPhone, it's like two different boxes, and on mine it's called Smart View. Could be called display mirroring or something on the top. Then just select your Roku when it appears, go to Start Now. And you might find other devices on there like your Fire Stick. My LG TV showed up on there. And I believe my camera too that I'm using right now. So let's just go to this now when it focuses. And there is my phone right there on the TV. And then you can even take pictures or something like that. So if I turn this around, you can see me. So it's very easy to get your iPhone or your Android phone on over there. Just going down from the top right here, and you should be able to see an option called screen mirror, display mirror, some sort of mirroring. I think it's called Smart View on your Samsung phone, display mirroring on your iPhone, etc. Then we can just go to this and we can cancel out, or we can just return the home screen, I believe, on our Roku device. And there we go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.